Assalamualaikum and welcome to Google Gemini series. In this series, we'll try to understand all the features Google Gemini has, how to use them, and what are the most possible use cases. So let's start. आज की पहली वीडियो में हम देखेंगे Google Gemini का इंटरफेस and we'll try to understand the features. सबसे पहले लेफ्ट साइड पे हमारे पास चैट हिस्ट्री आती है just like chat GPT. We have chat history on the left side and then we have option of gems. जेम्स बिल्कुल चैट जीपीटी में जैसे जीपीटीज होते थे बिल्कुल वैसे ही हैं. दीज आर स्पेशलाइज्ड एआई ट्रेन फॉर स्पेसिफिक टास्क. फॉर एग्जांपल, if we go to chat gpt, this training section has some gpts which are trained for specific tasks. फॉर एग्जांपल, ये जो पहली जीपीटी है ये इमेज जनरेशन के लिए स्पेशलाइज्ड है. अगर हम इसको यूज़ करेंगे तो इसकी बैक एंड पे प्रॉम्प्टिंग हुई हुई है और हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं टू जनरेट इमेजेस, टू जनरेट बेस्ट इमेजेस. देन वी हैव समथिंग फॉर राइटिंग, समथिंग फॉर वेबसाइट जनरेटिंग. सेम इन जेमिनी वी हैव जेम्स. For example, if we need a career guide, we can use this specialized trained AI. And if you want a coding writer or coding editor, we can use coding partner. If you want to learn coding, if you want to do coding, if you want to play with the codes, you can use this coding partner. Then we have Gem Manager. Here we have all the gems available in Gemini. In the chat GPT, we got many GPTs from the public, but in Gemini, we are only getting, gems which are created or made by Google. हम खुद से भी gems create कर सकते हैं, but for that, we need an advanced or pro account of Google Gemini. Then we have settings menu, जहाँ पे जाके हम थीम चेंज कर सकते हैं, अपने लिंक्स देख सकते हैं और अपने इंफॉर्मेशन देख सकते हैं. But the most important one here is apps section. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट यूनिकेस्ट फीचर गूगल जेमिनी है. हम क्या कर सकते हैं, गूगल के जितने भी ऐप्स हैं उनको हम डायरेक्टली जेमिनी के अंदर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ वी यूज़ गूगल डॉक्स, तो हम जेमिनी के अंदर ही हमारे गूगल डॉक्स में जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स मौजूद होंगे उनके बारे में उनको समराइज़ कर सकते हैं. एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए हो तो एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. हम उनके बारे में क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स कर सकते हैं. हम अपनी गूगल ड्राइव में मौजूद जितनी भी फाइल्स होंगी उनके बारे में उनको मैनेज कर सकते हैं. नॉट लाइक कम्प्लीटली मैनेज, हम उनको फाइल्स को रिमूव नहीं कर सकते, एडिट नहीं कर सकते, बट वी कैन यूज देम फॉर स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ टास्क. सेम लाइक गूगल कीप. इफ वी हैव नोट्स इन गूगल कीप, we can manage them, we can view them, we can summarize them, we can do all sorts of things with them, but we cannot remove them. And same go for Gmail. Then if you scroll down, we have something for travel like Google Maps, Google Hotels, Google Flights, and in the end we have go for media. First is YouTube, and then we have YouTube Music. So if you want summary of a specific video, you can use this YouTube app. If you want to ask questions about specific video, you can. And if you want some a specific kind of videos or a topic, you can use this app. We can turn on or turn off any app using this toggle. And if you want more information that what a app in Gemini can do, you can simply click on learn more button and it will open all the things which Gemini can do and which Gemini cannot do. Let's go back to home screen and try to understand that. On this left side, we have model picker. Gemini has many models, same like ChatGPT. The first one is 2.0 Flash, which is for every person, everyday normal use. Then we have 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental. This is the experimental model, which is same like DeepSeek R1 and ChatGPT O1. It is used for reasoning tasks. Then we have Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental. This is best for complex tasks. This is a new one and it's the most advanced model. Then we have deep research, it's for in-depth reports or in-depth answers. Then we have a personalization model, it's also experimental. What it can do, it can communicate or or start conversations with us based on our previous search history or even our previous chats with Gemini. So if you want that Gemini use our search history or Gemini, answer our questions based on our previous chats, we can use this model. Gemini also has an advanced plan, a pro plan, and you can test it for free for 1 month. It also comes with many other things, including Notebook LM Plus and 2 TB storage of Google Drive. What you have to do is to only enter your credit or debit card and it will start, our 1 month free premium subscription. If you want to upload any files, you can use this button, and if you want to upload file, you can also use this plus icon. You can add images, files, and you can also import files from Google Drive. Then we have a deep research button. If you want in-depth answers or in-depth reports, you can use this button. And then we have a canvas button, just like ChatGPT, which is best for tasks related to coding. It will open a separate window where we can, see the preview of our course, and even we can directly share course through that window. We will see that in a separate video. So that's it from today's video. It was an intro video related to Google Gemini features and Google Gemini interface.